I'm never one to get on camera, but I really wanted to tell you guys about detox now. I've been suffering for a long time from high blood pressure, swollen legs, swollen ankles. I was always tired, always exhausted. I was dragging day to day, and I truly needed a reset. I've had some really scary times trying to regulate my pressure. It would go up, it would come down, it would shoot back up, it would go down. It skyrocketed so high and out of control that I landed myself in a hospital of 3 different kidney deaths. And it was so scary being away from my son. So I had to take stock of my health and do this water fast and get the reset that I needed. And I'm so thankful that I did. I decided to get the DeToxHer Kit, and I also got the D3 and K2 supplements. And they have changed my life. I just finished a 7-day water fast, and let me tell you, my skin is brighter, my legs and my ankles are no longer swollen, and my pressure has completely stabilized. And my energy has never, ever been this high, and I'm so excited. At the end of those 10 days, I lost 34 pounds. And not only did I lose 34 pounds, it lost some inches too. My pants don't fit like they used to. Time to go shopping. I'm ready.